There's Lily.
We found a piano.
We're at Costco.
See?
Lily wants to play the piano. But I wanted to kind of add on to my conversation from before about the wrapping paper. They have 180 square feet for $11. So I think I'm going to get the Costco one. All over the place now. Crazy.
Nintendo Wii shop. We can get this for our Nintendo.
Miss Lily, small enough to do this.
What?
Lily. Hi. Grocery store. Trying to get Soph food for her lunch tomorrow for her regional competition. Yay, you excited, Soph? A little bit. You're nervous, huh? Yeah, you're gonna do great. Whole team's gonna do awesome. So I think because it's kind of going to be like a long gap, the things aren't going to be super refrigerated. We're just going to stick with Lunchables. It's competition weekend. Yay! We are at a hotel. We're about to go check out our room.
Yep. Man, the door's heavy.
The door is heavy, so we got a suite.
It seems kind of small.
Ah, it's pretty nice.
Gaming chair.
Cool. Go ahead. Wow. So when you first walk in, you have this nice little kitchenette area. And then there's a couch with a pull-up bed. Which is pretty nice because it's there's only one bed in the room, so it's nice that there's a pull-out couch. You have your TV, the sanitized remote, and some hand wipes, which is really nice. Your nightstands. This is a king-size bed. Thank goodness. Oh, they actually have a heat. What is it? Thermostat. That's what that's called. Then you have another end table with your phone. A really nice big sink. Your hair dryer. Let's see. Ooh, that's bright. Wow, that's really bright. That actually hurt my eyes. And then your closet. So sheer uniform. It's a pretty deep closet. Oh, Sophie's ready to go swimming. I just noticed they have all Neutrogena products, which is really nice. Your body lotion, shampoo, conditioner. There's a bar of soap. Not sure. I think this. Oh, a makeup remover wipes. That's nice. And then, of course, if you forgot anything, you can go to the front desk and get whatever it is that you need. Oh, here's some more Neutrogena soap. And also, I didn't really show you guys the shower. It's just a standard little shower. They don't have one of those things where you drag across to dry your stuff. So that kind of stinks, but what can you do? All right, we're gonna go swim. Well, I'm mostly ready. So I have to do my face up, but the girls are getting their hair done, so I'm gonna go downstairs and check up on them. We're here. Competition time. Yay.
Level 1.